Today marked day 5 of our heat wave, Lonnie.
Yeah, and this will be it.
Okay, good.
It's going to get cooler for your day tomorrow. But let's talk about what we've got out there right now, because the clouds have sort of rolled in. There's your picture right now. Temperature at this hour, 89 degrees under that mostly cloudy sky. You did hit 92. Jessica is right. This was day 5. 84 is the average, so you are well above the average. But what do you expect? You expect not to see day 6 of this heat wave. In fact, tomorrow, some of you will struggle to reach 80 degrees. A big flip-flop there. Rain, clouds for your day tomorrow. In terms of the wet weather tomorrow, it's more likely New York City and points south than New York City and points north. So I'd be looking south tomorrow for the bigger rains. And speaking of bigger rains, tropical rains could be affecting us by next week, Tuesday particularly. I'll show that to you in just a bit. But for this evening, it's just spotty activity if you're heading out there. Most folks don't see too much of anything. Look at this one right here. Zoom in tight there. This is just south of Middletown to the east of Wantage. This is moving in the direction of Newburgh and Highland Falls. So this cell, which has got some heavy rain associated with it. It's not a big cell. It's going to come in and come out pretty quickly, but thunder and lightning as well. Gets to Goshen, 555, Chester, 557, Monroe, 605, Woodbury, it's to your area at 615, and New Windsor at 627. Now, the bigger picture is going to show you the bigger show is down here around West Virginia. So spotty activity out there for the evening hours, much more widespread as this makes its way in sometime during the overnight hours. And as of right now, it's indicating somewhere like 2, 3 o'clock in the morning. Here you are, 2:30, and here comes that line. All right, this is 2:30 in the morning. Now watch how it plays itself out. This is 8:30 in the morning. Notice New York City off to the east and points south. And watch, this is where most of that rain from West Virginia wants to stay. It'll clear for your day on Saturday. Now, let's get to the tropics. This is an interesting storm for us as well. All right, right now it's putting big rains down around Puerto Rico into Hispaniola. It is tropical storm Isaias. That's how that one's pronounced, guys. 60-mile-per-hour winds moving to the northwest at 20 miles per hour. 60-mile-per-hour winds right now. Take a look at how we see this progressing. We believe sometime over the weekend, it is bumped up to a Category 1 storm, all right, making a landfall possibly in the Bahamas, and then does it make a landfall in Florida or not? Now, Florida's in the cone. Okay, the east coast of Florida's in the cone. Higher probability is it's just offshore, but we're going to watch that for all of our concerns for, Florida and elsewhere up the eastern seaboard. It could make a landfall around the outer banks of North Carolina as a Category 1 as well. But look at this. Now we're thinking Tuesday, it's off our shores. And because, Jessica and Maurice and I were talking about how warm the waters are, it's weakened a bit, guys, but it's a 70-mile-per-hour tropical storm. That's about as strong a tropical storm as you're going to get. 74-mile-per-hour winds. You'd have a hurricane. And again, we are all in the cone of concern. All of us. Higher probability is offshore, but we got to watch this one. And I will do that for you. I give you my word on that. But again, when we've had storms offshore, you know the problem that it has pushing water onshore. So the surge can be an issue, but I'll watch all of it. I'm going to watch that one like a hawk for you. Here's how I see it across the board. 81 for your day tomorrow. Big drop in temperatures, but more cloud cover out there. And again, there's the rain chance. Higher probability with the rain would be south of the city. 88 on Saturday. That's the better half of your weekend. Sunday, you're 86, but more clouds, and there will be a wet weather chance later in the day. Monday, 87 with a shower chance, and then Tuesday is where there's that tropical link to Isaias, which I will keep an eye on, like I said, for you. But, guys, that's the way we see the 7-day forecast.
I'm glad you could pronounce it, Lonnie. It's a lot. Thank you.
Yep.